In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PowerPoint to Wix. If you want to display a PowerPoint presentation directly on your Wix website, the process is pretty simple once you know where to find the right tool. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Wix editor without any confusion. To begin, open your Wix site and go to the page where you want the PowerPoint to appear. It's a good idea to already have your presentation saved and ready to upload, since that will make the process much smoother once you get to the document settings. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left area and click Add. This is where Wix keeps the different content blocks and tools you can place on your site. After that, click Elements. Inside the Elements area, use the search bar and type in Doc Viewer. This is the feature you'll use to display your PowerPoint file on the page. When you see the Doc Viewer, add it to your site. It will appear on the page as a new element that you can position where you want your presentation to be shown. At this stage, you can also resize it if needed so it fits nicely with the rest of your page layout. Giving it enough space can make the presentation easier for visitors to view. Next, double-click the Doc Viewer to open its settings. This is where you'll connect your file. In the Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Document option, then click it. From there, you'll be able to upload your PowerPoint presentation from your computer and attach it to the viewer. After the file uploads, the Doc Viewer will be connected to your presentation. Keep in mind that Wix notes this type of document may only display properly on your published live site. So if you don't see it working exactly as expected inside the editor or preview, that can be completely normal. To properly test it, make sure you publish your site and then open the live version of the page. That way you can confirm that your PowerPoint is displaying correctly for visitors. If needed, you can always return to the editor afterward to adjust the size or placement of the viewer. And that's how to add a PowerPoint to Wix. Once you've uploaded it and published your site, your presentation should be ready to view right on the page.